if you don't achieve X, which is your desired result, in Y time, you will get blank. You fill in the gaps. That is one of the ways you can basically give guarantees, all right? So to sell more, you need to have guarantees in your offers you put out there. Okay, in the product or services you actually put out there to people, there need to be guarantees, or there needs to be a form of guarantee people are going to get their desired result or the outcome they are actually looking at your product or services for in the first place. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about the 4 types of guarantees I recently learned in a book called How to Make Your Offer So Good People Will Feel Stupid to Say No To. All right, and it's written by Alex Omozi. It's a good read, and I recommend you also check that book out. If this is your first time watching me online, my name is Francis Abogonye. I talk about entrepreneurship, marketing, and growth. Okay, so if this is content types that you actually like or you want to learn from, okay, depending on the platform you're watching this video on right now, I recommend you subscribe if you're on YouTube, you like if you're on Facebook, you follow if you're on Instagram basically, and turn on post notification. That way you get notified anytime there is a new post, okay, that is super valuable on the page or on the channel. That way you get notified and you gain value from them, all right? So with that being said, what I want you to do also is to smash on the like button, okay, and also drop your comment, okay? Comment below this video on what type of guarantees you're currently offering to your target audience, or what type of guarantees you're putting in your offer on your product, okay, or services you offer out there, okay, to make them so good, all right? And because you know that your intent is actually just and right in the first place, you want to give people what they actually need. All right, so the first type of guarantee is unconditional guarantees. In this type of guarantee, okay, your customer have to test your product or your services first, but they have to pay, all right? They have to pay first and test it out and see if it's a good fit for them. And if it's not, they get a refund, okay? But it's more of like a trial. That's what happens in the first type of guarantee, which is unconditional. So if you're offering that type of guarantees, okay, you can relate to it. Let me know in the comment section how that is working for you and how it has been so far. So if you're not applying that, you can also use it, okay, to offer some form of trial. You want to bring people in, okay, and let them understand that if you test this out after paying, you don't like it, we're going to be giving you your money back, no questions asked, okay? That is one of the type of guarantees you can actually apply to your product or services. The second type of guarantee is the conditional guarantee. This is something you're already familiar with, okay? You get to see it in most cases where they call it terms and condition, okay? You get to apply it in different giveaways, in different offers, and all those cool stuff, okay? But in this case, you want it to be better off than getting their money back, okay? You get your money back if you don't like and all of that, all right? You want it to be better, so you have to be creative about this particular one, all right? Because if you get to keep an option for your customers, okay, to choose between, or you give them an option to choose between getting a refund, getting their money back, or getting their desired outcome, which is the desired results they are looking for, okay? Most cases of the time, the majority is going to pick the outcome, which is the result they are going to be getting. In the case of losing weight, for example, you need them to show up in the gym, you need them to do some exercises, eat healthy and all of that. If they don't apply that, okay, if they don't show up, there's no way your offer will be of any use to them, okay? That is why a conditional guarantee, okay, needs to be in place in such offers, basically. Like I said, it is something you're familiar with, which is called terms and condition, okay? And you should be applying this, okay, depending on the offer you put out there, for it to also make sense to your client and also make your offers irresistible. So the third type of guarantee is one called the anti-guarantee. Now, in this case, this can be applied to things like cakes, biscuits, or any other consumable product that loses its value after somebody has maybe consumed it and all of that. Okay, for example, you just buy a biscuit and you open the sachet and you taste one and you say, oh, I don't like it. You actually have to pay for it, okay? So that type of guarantee, okay, goes out of the window because it has a lot to do with the sales are final after you try it. Okay, so you want to actually offer that type of guarantee in the first place. So they know that once you try it, the sale is gone. So in the third type of guarantee, which is the anti-guarantee, you need to come up with a creative way to present this guarantee for people to easily take you up on your offer, all right? To make your offer juicy and sweet. When you do so, people are most likely going to be buying from you depending on how good and great your offer is. Now, the fourth type of guarantee is implied guarantee. Now, in this type of guarantee, you get to see things like, if I don't perform, I don't get paid. This has to do with performance basis, okay? If I don't perform, you don't pay me, basically. So you have nothing to lose in this case, all right? So if you have an offer that actually presents this in the first place, it makes it easy for people to take you up on it, All right. Now, this only works when there is a metric or there is a way to measure your performance. Okay, there have to be transparency in place for this to actually work out. If there's no transparency, this will not actually work out. So in both parties, they need to have some form of transparency. Okay, this works especially in service-based businesses. So in our agency, we offer this type of guarantees whereby we get you clients for your business within 90 days or less, as long as you fit into our target audience or our target demographic of clients we get to work with to bring in customers for your business. And you also have a budget, okay, that can accommodate the kind of ad spend we actually put out there. We get to offer you this type of guarantee, which is called Implied Guarantee, all right, that we get to work based on performance after setting everything up for you, basically. Okay, so the amount of clients we get to bring in for your business, all right, depends on the amount you're going to be paying us moving forward. All right, so implied guarantees can also help your offer to convert more, okay, as long as you know how to imply them into your offers you get to put out there and all of that, so people can actually and easily buy from you. So if you find this video helpful and you've learned anything new today, okay, what I want you to do is comment below. And if you want to get customers for your business, or you want to craft your offer in a way that it will be irresistible for people to buy from you, okay, what you can do is to send us a DM, email us, or, you know, click the link around this video, or depending on where you're watching this, okay, to schedule a 30-minute strategy session with us, which is completely free, and walk you through how we can help your offer, okay, to be irresistible, basically applying all of this to it. Now, in my next video, I'm going to be talking about stacking of guarantees, okay, and also how we're going to be experimenting with them to actually get results. So for you to know when that will be up on this channel, okay, what you can basically do is follow, like, subscribe if you're on YouTube, so you don't miss out on that content when we put that up. Until next time, my name is Francis Abogonye, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye.